Good morning, everyone. This is a continuation of lesson number 10, Getting to Know India, Geography, EVS Part 1, page number 48. India is the Democratic Republic. The capital of India, everybody know, New Delhi. Considering the area wise, the Rajasthan is the largest state in India, and followed by second comes Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra, our state, is in the third place, and Goa is the state with the smallest area. Now, down one activity which I already given to you, like that select one state which you like, and that their language, festival, clothing, dance, forms, and all. Okay, even the geographical features in that landforms, water bodies, forests, etc. I think everybody must have done it. When you are selecting the state, you should not forget the union territory. Okay. We also notice differences in the crops produced in the different region. Let us find out where the coffee, tea, oranges, mangoes, etc. that we see in the market come from and how they reach us. See the map on the next page, page number 49. Do you know? Apart from the Indian mainland, several groups of islands are also included in the Indian territory. The Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea, the Andaman Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, the coastal islands near the Indian mainland. All these islands have strategic locations from the defense point of view. Long ago, forts were built on some of these islands off the coast of Maharashtra to safeguard the coast. These historical forts are known as sea forts. We can see several such forts along the Konkan coast. As I asked before, everybody know where we will find out the coffee, tea, oranges, mangoes, etc. That is, we will get from the market. Anytime did you thought about that from where it is coming? With the help of page number 49, India's map, you will come to know that this fruit, mangoes and oranges, tea, coffee and all, where it grow and from where we are getting. With the help of the map, you can answer the questions given below of that map. In page number 50, what's the solution? There, Harsh and Tanishka live in Mumbai. They want to see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. First, they are going to see their uncle in Chennai. After that, they will visit the islands. To make this trip, which of the routes on the map on page number 49 will they have to take? Will you help them by tracing this route on the map? Now complete the exercise Thank you.